Hello!
Hi, I'm Janella. I go by Wig Small.
And I'm Alan, Wig Tall. Together, we're Wig-Wig Cosplay.
Today, we're going to go into a deep dive of one of the tips from our book, Leather and Cosplay, From Hide to Hero. Tips, tools, and techniques.
The tip is called Shine Like Silver and Gold, and it's centered around getting a nice shiny finish from metallic leather dyes.
And as a bonus, we're going to make cool articulated finger armor along the way.
Might be helpful next time you cosplay your favorite evil overlord. So, let's get started. The first step is cutting out a few simple shapes patterned to fit your finger. Ours are cut out of lightweight vegetable tan leather. You can play with the details to make different looks and styles. For a ridge effect, you can skive a channel in the back or use a little water and bend it with your fingers, which is what we've done here. We also like to pre-punch our holes through the corners of the armor pieces as well as the ends of the straps. We want the holes to be just big enough to fit the posts of the rivet size we're planning to use, which in this case is small. Speaking of, now we pass to Wig Small for some metallic magic.
Dyeing metallics requires a different approach than painting metallics. With metallic leather paints, you can go straight to application and have enough coverage. Metallic dyes, however, should be treated more like an additive, as they are quite see-through. Putting them straight onto your leather will not give you the metallic results you're looking for, so apply them on top of a base color or mixed with a base color. For silver, we like to use the base color of black or gray. I've prepared our pieces with 2 layers of black water stain to create my foundation. Now, let's make it look more metal by adding a few layers of the silver. Be sure to let the layers dry fully between each application. And there you have it, metal leather. You'll notice the metallic dye is more subtle than a metallic paint, letting the base color still show through. It works great with other colors too, so the possibilities for fun colored armor are endless. To finish it off, I'll use a shiny leather sealant to lock in the dyes and get it ready for Wig Tall to put it all together.
Time for articulation. The key here is that the rivets aren't set super tight like you would normally. You want the leather to be able to rotate around the rivet post. Because of this, we'll use small size rivet posts for the extra length and extra small size rivet caps because we don't want the rivets to look very large. Not all rivet sizes are mix and matchable, but in this case, we can combo the small and extra small sizes. The key for combining is a similar post width. We'll also add little straps underneath to hold the armor on your finger and allow you to pull the tip down as you bend. These straps have been dyed black to match the gloves we're wearing with the cosplay, to create the illusion that the armor is attached to the gloves. Then we'll set our rivets. For double cap rivets, you usually want to use an anvil dish to preserve the curve of the cap. In this case, we're not concerned with the inside of the armor preserving the curve, so we'll set against a flat surface to make it a little easier. Maneuver your armor so that your outer cap is facing directly up and your inner cap is set against your hard surface. Place your setting tool over the top of the cap and strike firmly to set. Focus on making sure your setting tool is lined up directly. Because we're using a longer post than normal to get a looser set for that articulation, the rivet cap will be more likely to skew instead of setting straight. Continue to set the rest of your rivets. Once assembled, put on your glove, then slide on your claw. Pretty cool, huh?
And there you have it, metallics and articulation, packed into one quick tutorial. May it help you on your cosplay crafting adventures.
And of course, for more tips and tutorials, check out our book. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.